All right, so the rest of this is pretty self-explanatory. The difficult issue or part of it is going to be connecting your red wire to the ignition, which is once you pull down the back of this, you disconnect this. It's best to, if you want to find out, you could basically release this off of it. Essentially what we have here is position 12, we're going to have a blue wire. And then if you go to the next page, you actually have a diagram right here for the total number. So position 12, if you look at it on this side, you see right here, it's on the bottom where number 15 is. You count 2 in, it's going to be right there, which is my blue wire that I took out. All right, so then we have our can red and black. Right here is what it says. Green wire, position 52. Brown wire, position 53. Which is actually, if you look right here, it's on the top side, 46 to 60. You count in on the very top of this, and it puts you with these two, the green and the brown wire. So then you're gonna make a little splice, just peel back the sheathing, get your wire, splice it to this. That should be that part of it. The rest of it is really easy and self-explanatory. Make sure you're disconnecting your battery. This is basically gonna plug and plug. So you're gonna unplug what you have up underneath here. You're gonna plug this into it. Then, moving forward, you're going to get your gauge or your switch that you're going to end up putting in right here. Just take these bolts off. This might be glued on, so you might have to pull that off. And this basically like disconnects and comes apart. Go ahead and put that in, run your wires down, then make your connections for those and just do what it says right here. And we'll do follow-up.